Palestinian-American teenager was killed today in the West Bank. Can you confirm that, and was that something that President Biden discussed with Netanyahu during the call?
We're seriously concerned about these reports. The information is scanned at this time. We don't have perfect context about exactly what happened here. Seriously concerned about it, and we're going to be in constant touch with counterparts in the region to get more information. But it's definitely deeply concerning. But I'm afraid I don't have more information than that right now. We still oppose a general ceasefire. Yes. For the same reason that we have in the past. We don't believe a ceasefire is going to be to the benefit of anybody but Hamas. We do support humanitarian pauses, as I said, to try to get hostages out and more aid in, but we don't support a ceasefire at this time. I think it's important to remember that there was a ceasefire in place on the 6th of October, and Hamas, Mr. Sinwar chose to break that ceasefire. He's the one that chose this war. There was a ceasefire, which we obviously were in support of, and Hamas chose to break it.